As I've already got my base down, I'm going to be starting off with Barbie Girl from Morphe and adding that into my inner third of my lid. Following that up with Shark Bait from Makeup Geek on the middle third. And finally, Butter Cupcake from Sugar Pill on the outer third. Being sure to keep some space in between each, as I did not want these colors to mix it all together, staying very true to themselves for now. These are just going to be the basis for some glittery liquid eyeshadows though, so that's why we're keeping them a little bit away from each other. The first being Over Again from ColourPop, and then Gnarly from BH Cosmetics. And lastly, Fresh, again from BH Cosmetics. Using Crybaby, which is a ColourPop cream gel liner, and lining my waterline with that, while also dragging it slightly down to act as a base for the next step, which is going to be adding Howlin' from ColourPop over top of that a few times just to get it to the opacity that I want it to be, and then blending it out with a clean fluffy brush with zero product on it. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using a highlighting palette, which some of you may recognize from my What I Got for Christmas video. Sadly, these shades don't have names on them for some reason, but whatever. I just picked the one with the stronger purple shift to it. For the cone, I'm going to be using Sandstorm as my base to create the wing. And adding Downtown Beauty over top to add some texture to the cone liner, as well as obviously outline it. Both these are a liquid suede lipstick from NYX, but I'm also going to be using this color to create the drips from the cone, the chocolatey drip. If you do happen to make any mistakes, or maybe just don't have a brush that's thin enough, then just use a dampened Q-tip and fix it up with that. Adding a little mascara, and lastly for my lip color, I'm using Ooh from ColourPop. That will never not be fun to say. But that is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!